They don't have a vegan version of this, do they? Fuck those cows, bitch. You know you want to eat it. That's all that matters. It tastes great. Please don't fuck the cows. Only bad karma will come from this. Plus you'll get fat. Don't listen to her, Miss Goody Two Shoes. Take a walk on the wild side. Don't do it. You know you'll regret it. Do it. Thanks, but I think I'll make something better at home. For white chocolate covered pretzels, you will need a half teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons vegan powdered sugar, 1 cup white vegan chocolate chips. Unfortunately, the white vegan chocolate chips are not sold in stores yet, but you can buy them on Amazon. And pretzels. To begin, prepare 2 large plates with waxed paper. Fill a small pot with a little bit of water and place a heat safety bowl on top. Next, add in the 1 cup of white chocolate chips and 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. Turn your stove on to a medium-low heat and stir together till it's all melted. You can add a small amount of water to help with the melting process. When everything is melted, turn your stove on the lowest heat setting and stir in the vanilla extract. Add a handful of pretzels into the melted chocolate at a time. Cover them in chocolate and place on the prepared wax paper. Now refrigerate the pretzels, and in less than an hour, they should be ready. Heavenly. This is so bad, it can't be good.